The USDA's Natural Resources Conservation Service can help organic farmers work with nature instead of against it, building healthy soils and conserving vital land and water resources. Over 1/3 of all food crops depend on pollination, and with flowers, that number is even higher. NRCS can help organic farmers support pollinators with tools that provide important ecosystem services. Hedgerows, for example, offer pollinators a diversity of flowering plants throughout the year, and also provide habitat for other forms of wildlife. And instead of pesticides, organic farmers work with nature. They may plant marigolds within rows of eggplant to deter pests, or may design their fields to draw pests away from crops and onto plantings along row borders. They may even convert productive land into conservation areas that help reduce soil erosion and agricultural runoff. While insectaries placed along farm edges can provide habitat for pollinators and beneficial insects. These are just some of the critical biological tools farmers can use to control pests. NRCS can coordinate conservation plans with a farm's integrated pest management strategy. These rely on cultural and mechanical suppression, as well as biological controls that use naturally occurring diseases, parasites, and predators to help control pests. Farmers also use perch poles, bird, and bat boxes. These invite avian predators to make their homes on the farm and biologically control crop pests. Some farmers also use conservation corridors. These provide a safe habitat for wildlife moving through open farmland, while acting as a buffer to capture agricultural runoff. And they can plant windbreaks. These offer crops protection from harsh weather and may reduce pesticide drift from non-organic sources. Or they can simply maintain protected areas at the edge of their farmland by removing invasive species as they appear, while developing conservation plans that help them and other farmers steward their land, not only for today, but for generations to come. To learn more about how NRCS can help organic farmers with hedgerows, insectaries, windbreaks, wildlife corridors, companion plantings, pollinators, and integrated pest management, contact your local NRCS office where they can help you help your land organically.